if for n alpha equal to pi, what is the value of cot alpha into cot 2 alpha into cot 3 alpha dot cot 2n minus 1 into alpha? And we have given 4 options here. Now we write this expression like this: cot alpha first term and last term into cot of 2n minus 1 into alpha. This is a group. And next, second term cot 2 alpha into previous of last term, that is cot of 2n minus 2 alpha, in this way. Now what about cot of 2n minus 1 alpha? Here 2n minus 1 into alpha equal to 2n alpha minus alpha, and here given 4n alpha equal to pi, so 2n alpha equal to pi by 2, so we write pi by 2 minus alpha, and 2n minus 2 into alpha, this angle equal to 2n alpha minus 2 alpha. So 2n alpha equal to also pi by 2 minus 2 alpha, like this. So we can write cot alpha into cot of 2n minus 1 alpha, that is cot of pi by 2 minus alpha, into cot of 2 alpha into cot of pi by 2 minus 2 alpha, dot dot. So we get cot alpha into cot of pi by 2 minus alpha, that is tan alpha, and cot 2 alpha into tan 2 alpha, dot dot. So we get cot alpha into tan alpha 1 and cot 2 alpha into tan 2 alpha, that is also 1. In this way we get n times 1, n times, and the product is, so A is the right answer.